made more than my money worth. In total, I probably made about $50 from a $30 thing. And all the cards I pulled were pretty cool. And this is like October 2024. It's all because of you. The Pokemon energy that I found at Target. Anyway, this was only $30 for 6 packs. An awesome promo. And like it had some great cards. So I found it at my local Target and it was really good. So see you next time. Bye.